Hello, and thank you for choosing this tutorial for how to configure an Apache web server in Red Hat Enterprise Linux 7. The written instructions are available at www.linuxexplorers.com. The first step that you'll need to do is to download the HTTPD software, and that's done through a standard Yum repository with Red Hat Enterprise Linux. So there are two options you can use. You can use the group install, or you can just download the individual packages. Install is finishing up here. Okay, after the install, next thing you'll need to do is to enable the service so that it starts at boot, and this is done with the systemctl command. Now that the service is enabled, you will need to enable the firewall to accept traffic on HTTPD ports. It's done a little differently in Red Hat Enterprise Linux 7. You're going to be using the firewall D service instead of the IP table service. So as you see on your screen, this is the command to open up the firewall for HTTP service. And while we're at it, we'll also open up the firewall for HTTPS for secure service. You see that command on your screen also. After making the changes to your firewall configuration, you'll need to reload the firewall G service to take the changes. Now start the HTTPD service. Okay, once the service is started, you can run the test page and see if it loads. This is the URL to my test server, and there the page is working. We'll also run a test by creating a default index.html file and storing it in the var www.html directory. I'll just put a few lines of text in here. linuxexplorers.com. Save my changes, and we'll reload the default page. Click reload, and there you have the test page that we just created. You can also get the text version of this at www.linuxexplorers.com.